And here's how we break down your cloud adoption journey. With our cloud adoption framework, we center everything around your cloud strategy and your cloud objectives. Before we haven't fully understood why you want to move to cloud, we don't even get started, because this is what we build layer on layer around your cloud strategy. Once we've understood your objectives and the outcomes that you want to generate through adopting cloud, as a second step, we assess your organization and your technology readiness. That means, from an organizational perspective, we run structured workshops with some of your key stakeholders to understand where you are from an organizational perspective against the cloud strategy that you set out. And from a technical perspective, we do highly automated assessments and scans and discoveries of your technical landscape, of your infrastructure and application landscape, to really understand how cloud ready this technology is and how to best move it to the cloud. Once we've understood your drivers and your baseline from a technology and organizational perspective, we then help you with the readiness. And then from an organization perspective, that means we help you to define the cloud adoption roadmap for your organization and help you to prioritize tasks that you should tackle next in order to work towards your cloud motivation. And then from a technical perspective, that can include that we build out your landing zone on your platform of choice, enterprise grade, highly secure, highly compliant in your respective industry. And only from there we then start building out cloud migration and modernization teams. And that really means that we enrich your teams with our cloud engineering expertise to migrate to the cloud at scale and at speed. We use our best practices and our frameworks and our tooling and our automation to rehost and re-platform at pace. We bring in our application expertise to refactor and modernize and re-architect some of your critical applications. And all of that is underpinned by our cloud governance and operations offering. And our deep understanding that cloud transformation does not have a defined endpoint, but requires continuous optimization and continuous modernization built into your target operations model.